guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. Who you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, thank you so much my love for tuning in. My name is Amanda Khashula. I hope you enjoy my content. Subscribe and become part of my lovely family. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much my love for coming back. I love and appreciate you. I'm starting a new vlog here guys. I'm going to Pep to collect a parcel of mine and I'm taking you guys with me. See you later. Bye.
Cozy.
Here's my date. Hi, my love. You look stunning.
Also look fabulous, my darling.
Thank you, my
As
babe.
I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. Who you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime, cozy.
Sparkling wine, and not MCC anymore, just CC. We can only say Cap Classic now. So our Cap Classic is a brut, so it's more on the citrusy side. We lease our MCC for 34 months, or we put it on lease for 34 months. Usually a sparkling wine is on lease for 12 months, but we lease ours for longer, just to retain the natural acidity and the sulfide.
Okay, wine tasting. Is that cheers? This is
Wine and water.
neighbors look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
cozy.
Hi guys, so today I want to collect my race number for Absa around my city, Cape Town, 10 kilometers. So this is what was on the goodie bag, my race number, and then we got free running socks from Absa, and then we've got free running t-shirt. This is how it looks. This is the back. And then we got a free running cap. So I just wanted to show you guys what was on my Absa goodie bag.
Cozy.
Look at this here at the start of the Absa around your city. The warm-up area is impressive. Your hands are in the air. Some of you are standing and hiding here in the shadows. Some of I can see you on right next to you.
Happy Absa around your city.
guys, I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog, and thank you so much for watching until the end. So I'm here guys to close off this vlog, and also to thank you so much for your love and support. I do see it quick comment section, and I do see the number of subscriptions are growing. So thank you so much guys. I love and appreciate you so much. So before I close it off, I just want to do a mini unboxing. So right at the beginning of this vlog, I went to Pep to collect a parcel. So here's my parcel. I've already opened it because I couldn't wait to see what is inside. It's a gift from my friend Uloli. So she called me this other day and she asked my nearest Pep, and then I gave her the name of my nearest Pep, and then she sent me a parcel. So I had to go and collect it. So I've already opened it because I wanted to see what is inside. So guys, she bought me this cute knitwear. How gorgeous is this? I love it so much. So it's the color is beige, and and beige is one of my favorite colors. So thank you so much, my friend. It's not even my birthday, Kesana. Thank you, my friend. Love and appreciate you. And then I also went to Kennel Walk, Carol Boys, to buy myself something because they had a special going on. I think it was 20%. So I went to Carol Boys to buy myself these. I'm gonna show you now. So they come in a brown box. They are protected. Cool, a brown box. I'm gonna open one guys because it's the same thing, so I'm just gonna show you one. I bought coffee mugs, the black and white ones, and the design is radiant. There we go. I love this black so much. I love it so much. Thank you so much guys. If you have not subscribed, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and become part of my lovely family. See you guys on my next one. Bye.